I'm gonna make some riguas.
Riguas. Look at this.
Beautiful.
Look at it, every single.
Yeah, it's perfect. No bugs. Nice.
No chemicals.
No chemicals, yeah. Hello everybody, this is Joanna from Living in Salvador, and it's 7 in the morning, and I'm just gonna go for a walk to see the corn and to see everything else. Ahora voy a caminar, va a haber maíz, y en este lado las vacas solo están allá ahorita. The cows are only over there now. We don't let them out anywhere just because we have grass and myceo growing everywhere, all this. So they're not allowed to come in anywhere right now. So it makes it really hard for us because we have to cut myceo or maize or grass and bring it to the cows. So it's a lot of work. Like right now, that's all we do. Well, that's all my husband does, is goes cuts the grass. Then they have to grind all the grass and then feed it to the cows. And then, yeah, all day, that's all they do. Because the cows have to eat 3 times a day. So that's all they do. So it makes it really hard right now. Because my husband can't even go anywhere because they need the truck to bring the food. So, yeah, it makes it a little bit tough. The cows don't come in here because everything's growing. So they're not allowed to go anywhere. Just stay over there. And there's a few trees that we still have to plant right here. So these are like mandarin trees, orange trees, and some more lime trees. And this row too, and another row. Yeah, so they planted quite a bit of trees over here. Limes, oranges, and I think mandarins too. So all this they planted. The sad thing is though, there's no rain. This winter, there's barely any rain. I mean, the grass should be so much taller, and this whole thing should have been just green. But because we get rain once a week, the grass is barely staying green. It's just barely surviving. And I'm here to see if any of the ananas are ready. This one's cracking a little bit, so I'm not sure if that's ready or not. How about this one? Not ready yet. Yeah, I just thought I'll come over here. Doesn't look like they're ready yet. Maybe up there, sometimes they fall too. So it looks like they planted some trees even in this section too. You can see some growing over here. There's one over here that looks like mango tree. Another mango tree. So there's quite a few trees over here too, which is nice because it's shade for the cows and we get more fruit. Yeah, so the cows used to come here all the time. Y aquí también ellos sembraron más árboles de frutas, de mangos, mandarinas, naranjas y otros árboles. Pero siempre hay basura. Siempre hay basura. So here's our corn. you already got to enjoy quite a bit of corn, which is nice. There's corn everywhere. Yeah, we already made a toll from our corn. Yeah, it's nice. Corn everywhere. This is our first corn that we planted. Ya comimos mucho elotes y hacemos un atol también. Me encanta atol. Encanta. Look at this. And the corn is very nice. And we don't have to spray with any chemicals to kill the grass. We don't spray the grass like everybody else to kill the grass. But we cut it. We come over here and cut it for the cows. So all this grass that grows right between it, we cut it. Nosotros cortamos la grama entre de maíz para las vacas. Entonces no aplicamos ningún veneno para matar la hierba. Y aquí es otra parte de maíz. And there's trees, mango trees and lime trees right between it somewhere over there. So here it is, there's the corn. This one's still young. Este maíz is joven. Here's the mango tree. Another mango tree. So I can't go over there. I can. This mango tree looks beautiful. Looks nice. Doing good. Even though there's not much water. Another mango tree. Maybe I can walk this way. So all this grass over here, they've been cutting a few times already for the cows. It's food for the cows. Maybe I can walk this way. Yeah, there's a pathway right here. So yeah, so far the first corn that we had, the first section, turned out really good. Primer maíz que plantamos salió muy bien. Los elotes están muy ricas, muy grandes y ricas. So let's hope we get enough rain for this corn. And all the grass that we planted in my seal for the, like I said, the grass should have been twice as big if it was normal winter. But like I said, we get rain once a week, which I mean, it's still a blessing, better than nothing. Still helps a lot. But we should have twice as much grass already. So yeah, this is all the corn, all the way down. Yeah. Beautiful. This is marañón tree. You can see all on the other sides, everybody planted corn. They all have their corn now. So there's a lot of riguas, tamalitos, atol, and just corn. Very nice. 7 in the morning, so peaceful, so beautiful. Yeah, and we have a little walkway this way. We can walk through here, which is nice. So this is still the young corn. It should have been way taller with the rain. Like I said, there's no rain. Hopefully it makes it. And this is the grass that we planted right between the corn. grass for the cows. Right in there, right between the corn. I think you can see it. Yep. And so I got myself one corn just to see. And then we'll probably come back with my husband to get some more corn before I go home. So I can take some home. Make some riguas or more atol. Yeah, so it's very exciting. I love this season. I love the corn season. The only thing is a lot of people spray their corn with too many chemicals over here because they do spray. They give fertilizer. I think they spray for all the bugs and all the insects, and then they also spray to kill the grass, which they spray that a few times, and we don't like that. We don't like spraying our corn very much, so instead of spraying the grass, we just cut it for the cows. So it works out really good. It is twice as much work, but it's food for cows. So yeah, it's a win-win situation because we get the food for the cows and we get the corn. You can see I made a mess peeling the corn walking this way, but I just want to share with you guys what our corn looks like. It's so nice, you guys. And so we decided to let the cows in over here in the green area, even though we're not supposed to because the new grass is growing. But before this grass dries, we thought we might as well feed the cows this grass first.
This one, look at this.
Oh yeah, nice. Look at all this. A bag. I'm just picking some corn so I can take it to home to Ciudad. Take some to the neighbors. And I'm gonna make some riguas. Riguas.
Look at this.
Beautiful. You're putting the leaves in there.
I'm taking it for the cow.
Oh.
Sweet. Look at it. Every single.
Yeah, it's perfect. No bugs. Nice.
No chemicals.
No chemicals, yeah?
Yeah, we didn't spray the grass.
Yeah.
We just sprayed it for the worm and still a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have organic.
Yeah.
Ooh, a big scorpion. See, you put your hand in there. Right there, look.
Oh, yeah.
Scorpion.
Oh, that is.
It's an alacrán.
Alacrán.
Look at him.
Scorpion.
That guy stings. You're gonna be numb for a while.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we're just coming.
I killed one today in the house.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Can't believe they're in
I was sweeping.
Sleeping or sleeping?
Sweeping.
Hmm?
Sweeping.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
No, I'm serious. You said sleeping or sweeping?
Sweeping. When do I sleep? Never.
Oh yeah? But it sounds like you said.
And some of them.
But they're little ants. They don't do nothing.
No, they don't.
But thousands of them. I think these are already old. The corn.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
It's just gonna be enough, or just to cook.
Mm-hmm. Well, they're good for atoll, I think.
Maybe. Yeah, I guess.
Because the other ones were a little bit too young for atoll. I can record and use one hand, guys. I'm just gonna. That's good.
Put more.
Yeah, if you see big ones, because like I said, they do get old. That one's big right there.
A big one?
Yeah, right there. There's two. Big ones.
This one has 3, like you said. Don't cut yourself with a machete.
Here's my hubby carrying the corn. Gotta go all the way up there. Nice little hike. And we only cut a little bit of corn.
Porque ya están buenos los de allá. Ya están en mero punto. Y esta milpa es de cortarle toda la punta y doblarla. No, que entre maíz puedes cortar ya. Sí, y sembrarle el otro. ¿Cómo está eso de ahí? Sembrarle maicillo.
I think I need machete. I don't have machete.
A little banana. ¿Y las otras huertas? ¿Y la otra huerta?
Oh, that's where you guys planted?
Yeah, so we put it. Solo eso se pegó.
Look at this tree. These thorns are huge. And they will go right through your shoe. Not just the sandal, but it'll go right through your shoe. So you planted the grass over here. Cuba 22. Grass for the cows.
And then there's morado.
And there's also that big purple tall grass over there. And there's... And we also planted some bananas over here. Banana trees. Yeah, they have to come right here, eh?
Yeah, I was over there.
Yeah.
Over there.
Here's the banana. There's another one somewhere we planted. Baby guayabas. They're everywhere. Just can't see it. They're everywhere. Look at all the babies. Lots and lots of babies. Guayabas. But they're peeling. This is guayaba tree. Look at all of them. But this is different guayaba. They're small. We just had one. They're small, but they're very juicy. Just had one. I didn't know guayabas can be this small. Like this size right here. And you can eat them. They're nice and pink inside. Gonna go see the other workers. So this is the grass we cut for the cows. Between the corn. We forgot to bring a bag for the corn. So I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna check the annona tree. What?
That's where you make the nest. Like this. Go down and take it.
Oh my god! Look, there's a nest. Baby birds, 3 of them. There's 3 of them. Look at them. Right on the corn. Right on the corn. Poor babies. Right in the sun. We're just walking down the property trying to find the other workers. all these bushes you have to cut all the time, non-stop, especially through winter time. Grows like crazy. There's my hubby. Look at all this corn. Look at all this corn.
Who put that wood over there? To pay for somebody to carry all this out.
Oh my god.
Carry to cut?
Yeah, oh, I know, that's why we're gonna need workers, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the last corn we planted.
This one has some more.
There's this corn. This one's ready for now. Yeah, so this corn's ready. The other one's already drying. There's a mango tree. Oh yeah? Lancet tree. Oh, but they're big.
They're big, yeah.
They're really big compared to the other tree. How nice and big these guys are. Nice and big. The other tree has tiny ones. And another tree over there has big ones, just like this one.
I know we're wasting all this food.
Yeah. Natural medicine.
Giving us all these nutrients.
What is this grass?
Like this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
But I bet you the cows will love this.
No, it's bitter or something.
Oh.
I don't know if they eat it. But there's grass in it.
Oh, yeah.
Grass and
Yeah.
they can eat whatever they want.
Yeah. Cut all the grass. It's nice and tall.
Oh yeah, if I get cacao,
This grass.
I'll plant all this
Yeah.
like this and
Yeah.
all the side over there.
Yeah, cacao is nice, yeah.
It's expensive.
One.
Very healthy.
My next most important tree is pomegranate tree.
Or fruit trees.
We want cacao trees, cinnamon trees. Because cinnamon is super expensive, cacao is super expensive. And pomegranate is one of the best fruits you can ever have, the healthiest fruits. Yeah. And this grass we keep cutting for the cows and it keeps growing. Nice. We're just going to check another annona tree.
These are gross.
This is another nansa tree. Doesn't even have any nonsense. It's done. So all of our land is corn over here. All of it, no matter which way you go. This is the other section. And this is another annona trees. I think there's two over here. Because this is way too big. Way too big. And as you can see, all the corn. Yeah, well, this is one big one.
Yeah,
Yeah. But no, this one is, but is it just one or is it like few of them growing over here?
maybe there's a few of them.
Yeah.
A couple of seeds.
Yeah. Yeah, there's few of them. That's why it's so huge. Look at this annona, humongous. I know, you can't see him right here. This one. Look at this. But it's not cracked. It's huge. Oh, it's so heavy.
This one, but I think that's they're letting go. Look at this one.
Not cracked? Okay, this one is huge and it's so heavy. It's as heavy as watermelon. But it's not cracked, so I don't know if it's gonna be any good. Oh, there's another one over there. Yeah, there's quite a few up there. Oh, there's lots on the top.
Yeah, they probably let it go.
Yeah. Well, we'll take this one home and see if it cracks.
That's what Anna says. You have to check every day.
Yeah.
They crack at nighttime and then in the morning.
Oh. Beautiful tree. Beautiful. Like clean and very nice round shape. All of them seem very, very healthy up there. There's another anona. See if they're any good. But they look beautiful. Like perfect shape. Round. There's one right here by Canela. Right here. It's cracked. It's not cracked. My husband's up there on the tree. There's one right there. And right above you. But that's too high.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Look how beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
And here we have a small beehive. There's few bees on it. They're pretty big bees. This is the other anona tree. Just check and see if any of the ananas are ready.
Nothing in the crack, lots.
Yeah, we love this tree. So good. Delicious ananas. These guys are still small. And here's our big anona that fell down from this tree. So big. Has a little crack.
Nice.
Like this. So nice. Yeah, so you came see if any of these are ready. Every day you have to check.
Nice and straight.
So tall and
They grow fast. Look at this one.
yeah, eh?
Those ones over there look nice.
That's a weird but nice looking tree. Like no branches on the bottom. Look what we got. Our anona. Look how beautiful. So beautiful. And we're just having a break. This is Sunday, so we worked really hard. It's just me and my husband, no workers today. So it's 10 o'clock and we just finally sat down after cleaning the pool, filling up the water, feeding the cows in the morning, cutting the grass for the cows, and they're now over here. And we finally sat down, enjoying our anonas. The cows are nice and full now. And so that's it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos. Adios.